The owner is very excited about Configure One because it integrated with SolidWorks, and his vision is to have the salespeople sit with a customer and generate a drawing of what they're talking about. Now we're able to do that in our quote, which we had never been able to do in the past. The salesmen traditionally have had their own quote templates, and now we have something that everybody is very proud to display, and it includes a lot of even extra things that the salesman hadn't even had access to before. It's been a very exciting thing. The things that distinguished this training from other training was, first of all, the people. Rob and Andrew and Todd were very knowledgeable and were able to really help me understand things very easily. The other thing was just that it was a private session. It was tailored to Comar Industries, and we were able to work on our things, and we were able to relate the tutorials to what we were doing at Comar. Our system is pretty complex. We have had more staggered go live. Configure One has been with us every step of the way. We have been able to seamlessly do our go lives without any issues. So before using Configure One, the quote process duration was unpredictable. Through Configure One, we were able to develop processes and we were able to develop standards, and now it has become a more predictable process, and we have been able to go from days to minutes, putting out a very accurate, consistent quote.